maintindihan, Yumi. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng closure sa dalawa, lalo na doon kay Marco. Alam mo, maniwala ka sa akin. Mas makaka-move on ka, tapos mas naiintindihan mo lahat na nangyayari.
Ang mahirap pa nito, Yay. Umamin na si Patrick sa feelings niya for me.
Ay, ang haba ng hair.
Pero sa sitwasyon namin ni Marco, mawawalan pa ako ng kaibigan. Kasi lalayuan din niya ako.
Tama na kasi ha? Pag-isipan mo, i-assess mo lahat na nangyayari. I-assess mo, and then pakiramdaman mo.
Yumi! Ay, nalaro tayo! Ano po ang nangyayari?
Ate, ayaw na daw sa akin ni Marco.
Hmm? Ay, nako! Ang gulo-gulo naman ng Marco na yan. Kakasabi na lang sa'yo na crush ka niya. Tapos ngayon, ayaw niya na ulit. Simula ngayon, galit na natin yung Marco na yan. Bakit daw po ba kasi?
Hindi ko rin maintindihan.
Huwag ka na umiyak, Yumi.
Oh bro, hindi ko nagawa eh. Hindi ko na naalala na may assignment pala tayo. Hindi ko nagawa eh.
Hi, Patrick.
Uy, musta?
Kanina pa kita hinanap sa kantin. Iba na pala yung tinatambayan mo.
Oo, mas presko rito. Tsaka tahimik.
Patrick, I'm really sorry.
You mean just forget about everything I said, okay?
No, I'm fine with that. It's just that nasa rock bottom ako ngayon. And I know that saying this would make me a terrible person. But I can't lose you too.
So I'm guessing things didn't work out with Marco then.
I know I should have listened to you. Masakit bang aminin. Pero tama lahat ang sinabi mo sa akin. Pero ganun yata talaga eh. Love makes you do stupid things. Kaya ko naman tanggapin lahat ng sakit ng yun eh. I know it's my fault. But I need my best friend back. I need you back.
Yeah. You're right. You are a terrible person.
Marikit Gonzalez. Will you give me the honor of chasing after you?
Yes, 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 yes.
Naniniwala siya na 9 years old siya at wala na siyang maalala beyond that age. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga kilos niya, 9 ulit siya.
9? Is this even real?
Yes. It's rare, but it happens.
Ayoko sa'yo, Marco! Umalis ka na!
Ba't palagi na si Pratt yung kinakampihan mo? Paano naman ako?
Cheers. Thank you.
You have no idea what lengths your father had to go to, dealing with the Gonzales back then, just to get to where he is now.
Everything that happened yesterday, lahat ng sinabi ko, yung ginawa natin, just forget about it. I didn't make the right choice.
No. Na-overwhelm ka lang. Diba, we'll take it one day at a time. Baka kailangan mo na huminga. Bukas magiging okay ka na.
Don't you get it? Wala naman bukas. Mali yung desisyon ko. Hindi ko kayang panindigan to. Okay? It's over. We're done.
Marco.
You just have to go. You have to go.
You owe me an explanation. Please, help me understand you.
James, look, I'm sorry. Wait, I'm really sorry.
Ganyan ba talaga kasama ugali mo? Ha? Bigla-bigla ka na lamang iiwan sa ere?
James, I'm sorry. Okay, I never meant to hurt you. Never.
You are. Lahat ng pinaramdam mo sa akin, pinakita mo sa akin. Just tell me, they're all lies!
No, they're not. Okay, they're not. I'm sorry, but I
Then
can't...
what? Kung totoo lahat yun, ano? Hindi ba ako sapat? Ano, kulang ba ako? Si ate na naman ba yung rason?
No, hindi. Okay, you don't understand it. Okay, lahat ng to, everything, it's wrong. Okay, all of this is wrong. Okay, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Kung sakaling maayos to, okay, maybe one day we can do something about us. But right now, I have to go.
Then what? Running away will make it right? Ah!
Yums, I have to go. I have to go.
Marco! Help me understand, please naman. Huwag ka naman malis na ganito lang. Marco!
Oy, lalabas... Di ko alam kung ano nakita ni Yumi sa'yo.
I don't have time for your bullshit. Okay? Move that thing, get out of the way.
No. You listen here. This is gonna be the last time that you hurt Yumi. If you don't have the balls to man up about your feelings for her, just back the hell away. For good.
Are you done? Tapos ka na? Get out of the way.
Yeah, right. Run away, duwag.
Ano sinabi?
Sabi ko, duwag ka. Bakit? Hindi ba? Hoy! Hindi ba? Duwag! Ha?
Hindi mo alam kung anong pinagsasabi
Anong
mo.
pinagsasabi ko? Oo! Bro, duwag ka! Ano, manggugulo ka ng buhay ng isang tao tapos iiwanan mo sa ere? What kind of a man does that? I have loved Yumi for as long as I can remember. But I don't even know if I can fix him matapos mo siyang basagin ng paulit-ulit. Tandaan mo to, Marco. If Yumi ever runs back to me, I'll never let her go. Not for someone like you.
Thank you, Peter Pan. So, ulitin.
Wala
At
yun.
saka, thank you super duper dito sa tent.
Oo naman, gusto mo sa'yo muna yan kasi hindi ko naman masyadong ginagamit eh.
Ay, Doc, ano nga palang request mong special food mamaya sa camping?
Yay! Sorry, Frank. Pero, kami na muna ni Yumi. Please! Habol ka na lang mamaya.
Sige, ingat kayo. Habal na lang ako, ha? Bye, Wendy.
Bye, Peter Pan!
Bye, Ito, Pe.
Bye. Bye, Peter Pan.
Yay, ito, pero magkong
What do you mean he just left? I'll call you back. Marco, the office just told me that you resigned and that you were leaving. What is this? Is this about Yumi?
I guess there are some choices that we make that you can never justify. But you can never make it right.
Marco, don't let your emotions get the best of you. If you need a break, take a vacation. Go somewhere else. But not like this. I built everything just for you.
What to what expense pa? Anong ginawa mo? Ha? Anong pinagpalit mo para makuha natin to?
Wait. What's wrong? Where is this coming from?
Just stop it. Just stop it. Just tell me the truth.
About what?
Is that what you meant? In making your choices, right? Anong ibig sabihin yan?
Marco, this is not what you think it is.
What is it then? What is it?
Okay. I'll tell you everything. I must admit, natakot ako dati sa Asiana. Dahil sa kasong hawak namin nila Ludot Mithi. Pero matapang yung mag-asawa. Mukhang hindi nila atrasan ang Asiana. Please, masyado na delikado to. Kailangan nang isara ang kaso.
Alberto, ngayon pa na meron tayong laban. You know, these big companies, they always try to intimidate.
Totoo yan. At inaamin ko, ngayon lang ako nakahawak ng malaking halagang pera. At alam ko, kapag tinuloy nila ang kaso laban sa Asiana, hindi lang sila ang mapapahamak, kundi pati tayo. Asiana gave me no choice. It was them or us. And I'll never put my own family in harm's way. But despite of everything, I still couldn't do it. Para ko ng kapatid si Muto. Alam mo kung saan tayo nanggaling, anak? Inahon lang tayo ng mga Gonzales mula sa hirap. At kung di dahil sa kanila, we would have nothing. Pero hindi pa rin magpapapigil ang Asyana. They still finished the job I couldn't do. I tried to save them.
Mama! Mama! Balikan mo natin dito!
But I was too late. You see, son, I could never do such a violent thing. Higit pa sa kapamilya, kadugo ang turing ko sa kanila. But I failed them. Since then, I've been living my whole life trying to make up for that failure by taking care of the sisters mula noon hanggang ngayon. You see, Marco, bago na-aksidente si Ricky, may nahanap siyang SD card na naglalaman ng ebidensya laban sa Asyana. Ebidensyang hindi ko alam na hawak nila Ludo at Mithi. Papunta sa akin si Ricky no, para ibigay sa akin ang SD card. I knew it meant the whole world to her. But then she met the accident.
What if it wasn't an accident? Paano kung Asyana talaga may pakananan natin?
If Asyana knew about that SD card, I wouldn't be alive today. Ricky wouldn't be alive today. Kaya gusto kong mahanap ang SD card na yun to be able to protect Ricky. I can't fail Ludo and Mithi again. Ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit gusto kong makasal ka kay Ricky. To be the man of the house. Para mabuo ulit ang pamilya. Pamilyang minsan nang ninakaw sa kanila ng Asyana. Marco, I can't do this alone. I need you. I need your help. Help me make this right for Ricky and Yumi.
Kung hindi maoperahan ng asawa mo bukas o sa makalawa, it might be too late for her. I'm sorry, Archie. Excuse me.
Sa tinagal-tagal ko nagsiservisyo rito sa ospital. Hindi man lang nila tayo tulungan mapagaling ka. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, Alice. Gagawa ko ng paraan. Kukuha tayo ng pera. Kukuha ako ng pera.
Nakausap niyo na po si Marco.
Oo, ate.
Ano daw pong problema niyo?
Ewan ko ba? I'm just so lost. Para ako nasa madilim na kwarto. Naghihintay ng liwanag. Pero hindi dumarating. Everything is just so dark and painful.
Don't worry po. Unlike Marco, I will never leave you. Alam ko na po! Para maging masaya ka po, mag-ube tayo!
Ube?
Ube! Ultimate bonding experience. Sige na, please! Mag-ube tayo! Ganito pa ang ube! Ultimate bonding experience! Turuan ko po kayo.
Sige. Paano ba yan?
Ube! Ultimate bonding experience! Experience!
Ikaw lang may gawa nito lahat, ate.
Siyempre, tinulungan po ako ni Yai Tope at saka ni Ate Char. Maganda po ba?
Maganda ba? I love it, ate.
Wow! Thank you po. Thank you.
Okay, so, what do you want to do first?
Ako? No. Ikaw. What do you wanna... Ay, wait! Time first! May surpresa ako sa'yo. Close your eyes. Close your eyes!
Ito na.
No peeking! No peeking!
peeking.
Walang madaya! Walang madaya! Wait lang!
Okay.
Wait lang!
Ayan na, hindi na.
Wait lang! Okay. Open your eyes.
I don't know what to say. Sobrang ganda.
Sabi niyo po kasi, you feel like everything is dark. And naalala ko po, ang sabi po ng teacher ko, nakikita daw po ang beauty ng stars when it's dark. Kaya don't worry po if you feel like everything is dark. Kasi doon niyo po makikita ang ganda ng stars.
Ever since, ate, you've always been my guiding light. And it's amazing to see na even now, you still do your part. You're my star, ate.
Ikaw din po. Lagi niyo po akong tinutulungan to guide me. Kahit marami po akong hindi maintindihan, with you, I never feel alone. Yumi, you're also my...
Star.
No. My ate.
Salamat, ate. I love you.
I love you too, Yumi. Yay, Tope! Let's go! May ate! Let's go!
Patay ito! Mahitaw!
Hello, Yums.
Attorney Toledo.
Hello, sino to?
Hawak ko si Attorney Gonzales at ang guard nito. Alam kong importante sa itong dalawang to. Kaya kung gusto mo makuha, pumunta ka rito sa bahay at magdala ka ng 2 milyon.
Hello, sandali. Makinig ka sa akin. Huwag mo silang sasaktan. Okay, dadalhin ko yung pera mo.
Depende yun sa'yo. Huwag ka magkakamaling tumawag ng pulis. Papatayin ko si Attorney.
Hello, pa. Pa, Ricky's in trouble. May tao sa bahay nila. Yan nasabi nila sa kanya daw yung SD card. Pero yung gusto niya kapalit. Hindi. Pa, please. Huwag kang tumawag ng polis. Papatayin niya si Ricky. Sige na, pupunta na ako doon, pa.
Sino kasama mo? Sarado mo yung pinto! Sa pera!
Uy, nasa akin yung pera mo.
Sigurado ako na sila!
Nandiyan yung pera! Nasa akin nga yung pera mo! Pakawalan mo na sila! Pakawalan mo na sila.
Hindi mo saan ko mo!
Usapan tayo! Pakawalan mo muna sila!
Huwag kayo lapit! Huwag kayo lapit! Hindi ko nagdala ng pera.
Hindi, pag-usapan muna natin to.
Hindi ko sa'yo nagdala ng pera. Hindi ka talaga!
Hindi na mas maraming pera. Sandali, pakawalan mo muna sila!
Huwag ka susunod! Kapatid kita! Hindi ka!
Sisi mo. Okay na, sisi mo.
Ito na.
Bigyan ko lang ng leksyon to.
Ayaw mo sumunod to.
Sige, dali na yun sa.
Okay lang ako. Pwede ka muna si ate.
You sure?
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Ricky! Ricky! Are you okay?
Ricky?
Ricky!
Ricky?
Ninong, may ebidensya sila laban sa Ashana. It's all in the SD card. Testimonies, videos. Mabuti pa ko ipakita ko sa inyo.
Ricky!
Ninong, si Yumi may emergency. Saka nakapunta na po ako doon. 430 Akasha.
Sing-sing mo. Akin na, sing-sing mo.
Ito na.
Bigyan ko lang ng leksyon to.
430 Akasha Chan. 430 Akasha Chan. 430 Akasha Chan.
Ricky, are you okay?
430 Akasha Chan. Yumi! 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 I have to get to Yumi. She's in trouble. Yumi! Yumi! Yumi, are you alright? Ate, oh my God, you're bleeding!
It's okay, ate. I'm fine. Ate, are you really back?
Yumi, what are you talking about? You're bleeding and this would make so much mess.
Talaga yung concern mo. I'm gonna make a mess.
Yumi, it's not like that. Hindi ka ba nasasaktan? Wala ka bang nararamdaman?
Nasaktan.
Typical Yumi.
Ricky, can you stop talking to her that way? Nilagasan niya the whole time. Siyento mo yung ate mo habang may sakit ka.
What? When I was sick?
Yes. When you were sick.
Oo, anak. Medyo nawala ka sa sarili mo noon. Pero ikaw pa rin naman yan eh.
Wait.
Yes po, Ma'am Ricky. Your 9 years old version po.
Oo.
What?
Anak.
I don't understand! Can someone explain to me what's really happening?
Relax.
Ricky!
What is the meaning of this? Bakit nagkakaganito ang finances natin? A huge amount of money was pulled out and invested in God knows where!
Di naman ako sigurado kung babalik ako ng London. Naka-reserve naman yung consultancy slot para sa akin. At may 1 linggo pa ako bago sumagot.
How can you decide for that? Yung kay Ate Ricky pa nga lang, hindi ka makapag-decide kung aaminin mo yung feelings mo sa kanya.
You lovebirds can continue now what we've left behind. Bago na aksidente si Ricky, ang pagpaplano ng kasal.
Ate, are you really still marrying Marco?
You know for a fact na hindi na parehas yung sa amin ni Ricky.
What about Kuya Frank?
I'm not even sure if I want to marry Ricky anymore.
So it's Yumi that you want to marry.
May naalala ka na ba? Naalala mo na ba yung tungkol sa atin?
I'm getting some of those flashes na sinasabi mo. Ikaw lang ang laman ng alaala ko. And I hate it.
And even though we want to be together, I know that I can't truly have her. I can never have her.
Ilayo mo ako. Sa malayong malayo. I remember everything.